Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to look at very simple installation. Everyone know the Brave is a very good browser which has inbuilt ad blocking capabilities. So in this video, we are going to look at how we can install the Brave in Kali Linux. It's very simple. You can navigate to your Kali and open your web browser. By default in Kali, it's Firefox. You can search Brave on Kali. It's simply do a Google search and installing Brave on Linux. Install with one command. It's very simple. It's very easy. You can install this one with one command. You can simply copy this command over here. Open the Kali terminal and paste the clipboard and press enter. And then it will ask the Kali password and it will automatically fetch down all the required dependencies and required files, and then after that you will have the Brave browser within one single liner, one single command. We have to wait a little bit. This is really depend on your internet connectivity, your download upload speed. Let's see how it goes. It's unpacking the Brave browser now. All good. We are done. We can start Brave browser by typing Brave tag browser. And there we go. This is our Brave browser. You can set this one as a default browser if you want, and you can adjust some settings. And this is fairly simple and easy. Brave is a very good browser and this is my favorite. I hope this video is useful. If you need more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, like, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll catch up with the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you.